Former People's National Party Member of Parliament for St. Mary Weston, Jolyan Silvera, has pleaded guilty to a lesser offence of manslaughter in connection with the death of his wife, Melissa Silvera. This was revealed this morning at the expected start of his trial before the gun court. Details about the circumstances surrounding the plea have not been disclosed, including whether the prosecution or the court will accept the plea. The development took place Monday as the trial was set to start before Chief Justice Brian Sykes. Now, Director of Public Prosecutions Claudette Thompson declined to comment when contacted on Monday, noting that the matter is still before the court and will continue on Tuesday. Mr. Silvera's attorney, King's Counsel Peter Champagny, also declined comment. The Gun Court Act requires that matters be heard in camera, so media were not permitted to cover the proceedings. The 52-year-old businessman was charged with the murder of Melissa Silvera in January 2024. She was found dead in their Stony Hill St. Andrew home on November 10, 2023. She was initially believed to have died from natural causes, but after an autopsy was performed 3 weeks later, it revealed that she had sustained gunshot wounds with 3 bullet fragments recovered from her body. And so to come this evening, is the country water bankrupt? What the authorities have to say. We also have business news, and we'll be right back.